Morning, it's Vijay here. Today is Wednesday, 21st August 2024. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre Market Commentary. We discuss what happened yesterday and what is likely to happen today. Yesterday, the Bulls won comprehensively, though the Bears took some initiative in the last half an hour. That made me feel that the global markets may be weaker in the evening and this morning, and we should have some sort of a lower opening in our markets. Now, that's precisely what has happened as far as the US markets are concerned. US Dow Jones fell about 60 points, S&P but down by 11 points, and Nasdaq also was down by 60 points. Today, Nikkei is down close to 390 points, 300 points, 288 to 290 points. Then you have Hang Seng, which is about 170 points, and Singapore, which is down by 12 points. So we should have a softer opening, but I still believe that the intense battle which has started last few days will continue and finally will favor the bulls over the next few weeks. It is possible that for a day, couple of days, or for even a week, the bulls may be under pressure. But these bulls which will be under pressure, which are going to be under pressure, if anything, will be the weak bulls. The strong bulls will continue to accumulate, and the real fun and games will start probably in September series. That is because the Fed will have to do something in September and followed by RBI in October. This is what my understanding of the global financial markets are. Now, yesterday, PSU banks got a lift up because of what the FM has been doing behind the scenes. And you also had IT, which is continuing to lead because IT seems to be underowned. A lot of people are scrambling to buy IT stocks, and the people who are holding IT stocks are not willing to give it up so easily. Uh, so yesterday marked yet another high for gold, an all-time high. So that is, like a silent missile. It is just going up. Nobody seems to notice. Silver, which is generally noticed now more by speculators, that is struggling at $30, and it has come down to 29.4. But finally, I believe that silver will outbeat gold in terms of performance in the next 1 year. Uh, Disclaimer here, me and my family own both gold and silver through gold and silver ETFs, gold Bs and silver Bs. Yesterday, it was a stock specific rally in many cases, like Pharma, like Reliance, HDFC Bank. And I think those stocks will again be in the limelight, say Reliance, HDFC Bank, Axis, Kotak, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Nestle, these and Hindalco. So in metals, Hindalco led from the front. Tata Steel is still struggling because of the Supreme Court order of the royalties which the mining companies have to pay to the state governments. But there is still some long way off. And Tata Steel has already provided it in their financials. Once the market comes to know and analyze it properly, then I think Tata Steel will lead the rally upwards as far as the steel stocks are concerned. So today, one other important thing which we need to understand is last fortnight, there was a talk about the carry trade where the Japanese yen was shorted, and that is why the Japanese yen got weaker and weaker from 145 to 162 it went, and from when the BOJ decided to tighten interest rates, then it fell all the way to 141. Now it has again gone back to 147. So the carry trade has resumed, but in a very strange way. It has resumed where they are now shorting the dollar and buying other assets. That is why you are seeing dollar, which was a dollar index, DXY, which was about 104 plus. Now it has broken 101.5, and it looks like it will soon get into double digits because the carry trade gang, as I would call it, when they smell some opportunity, they utilize it to the hilt. And with the Fed clearly thinking along reducing interest rates, dollar will be the sufferer, which means the emerging markets will benefit. Now you also have oil, which is struggling at $77. So that should probably go down further because demand from China is just coming down. So all in all, as far as India is concerned, we are in a sweet spot. Though FIs continue to sell, yesterday they sold about 1,500 crores, 1,450 crores to be precise, while DIs outdid them by buying 2,250 crores. So the DIIs are and the smart money is accumulating shares. The effect of that will be seen in the next few weeks, is my firm belief based on everything considered. So what we are doing is today we welcome any dips. We will buy on dips. We'll buy the same stocks, which are the popular stocks, which are there in the Nifty, like Reliance, HDFC Bank, the names I mentioned. And we have had success yesterday. We've had success day for yesterday. We have had success since uh, July end, where we turned bullish and we are willing to buy on all declines. We're not so concerned about a geopolitical situation as of now because Iran, as expected, is now on the back foot. So they are not threatening Israel anymore. So all in all, today should be a day when it could be consolidation, but it won't surprise me if the market actually closes in the green. Several stocks will do well today. Now, I have highlighted some of them. There could be many more. And also, some stocks may not do so well, like what we saw yesterday, the defense and the shipping stocks like Garden Reach and all, which fell as high as 9%. They have gone up because of low liquidity. They'll come down similarly because of low liquidity. So that is a game we don't want to play. We want to play the game where there's enough liquidity, and that is the place where you can make steady money, not spectacular, but neither will you have spectacular losses. So whatever you want to do, I hope it is going to be successful and have a good trading day and a successful trading day. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.